gown from Stephen Yearick. A little bit different in terms of details here. Unconventional, definitely. High in glamour, full of detail. With Swarovski crystals throughout the entire gown, small paillette beadwork, as well as silver net, continuing down to a pleated net skirt, adding tons of detail to this beautiful gown. I will now show you the back detail of the gown. Finishing off the look of this gown is a simple, full-length veil with no detail on it. The gown itself speaks in terms of all the details that it needs. Here we have a beautiful dramatic back showing off the beautiful skin of the bride. Spaghetti straps creating a dramatic look. Once again, a beautiful gown from Stephen Yearick.